Well, welcome in, fellow diamond painters. Hello, hello. Uh, I'm doing this video on Saturday evening. It's about 4:30. I'm going to make supper pretty soon. But I'm doing this on the 11th and putting this up on Mother's Day so that, you know, it's a little short video. Uh, a lot shorter than my last one. Sorry about that, but I hope you didn't mind, and I hope YouTube doesn't mind. So, uh, my Amazon order came. I also have another Temu coming, a small, tiny one, uh, probably toward the middle to end of this month. So, I'm going to open this, and you can see what I invested in. And I partially blame this on V. Not that I bought something that she just purchased or anything, but she got me hooked. You'll see. So, here we go. Let's get this open. And it's raining like crazy. The sun peeked out for a short time. I think it heard me. And it went back. So, I don't know what Sunday's going to look like. We'll see then. So, here we go. Yes, I've got 2 diamond paintings. And, well, I ended up with 3 diamond paintings. I thought I only had 2. Okay, I hope y'all can see this. This is V's fault. It's not like I don't have enough storage. But you can always, as a diamond painter, you can always use more. Believe me. This was through Art Dot, and this was the one that was on sale for $9 and some change, whatever. So I figured $10. I was not going to turn it down, of course not, because I'm always using more 30 counts. This has a kangaroo on it. The other ones were more, if you wanted the butterflies and the so on. Apparently, maybe this one wasn't as popular, and they wanted to sell this one, out. So, here we go. Items that I will not be using, of course. Plastic tweezers, a little green, 2 green boats, some baggies, some placers, big thing of wax. There's 3 pens with placers, the white boat, and another straightener that I have tons of. So those won't be used. This is just a freshener thingy. I've got to make sure I get rid of that so the pup doesn't get it. And this got kind of bent, and I don't use this one. I've got really good ones. This one, little messed up. So, but yeah, here's the bottles. This is the good styrofoam, good bottles. These work really well. So it's just your typical 30 count that I'm always needing, because I never would have needed these many storages if I hadn't got hooked on doing more than one at a time. I don't usually do that, and now I've started that, so I need the containers. I'll label these later, 1 through 30, and this one will be good to go. But for $10, no way was I can pass it up. It's, you know, a good storage container. You can check it on Amazon. I think it's still on sale. The handle is nice. Zipper's nice. It's solid. And it was through Art Dot. So, you know, if you want to pay a little bit more, then you can get the one colors that you like. You know, the butterflies or the, they had some that were abstract or something. But this was fine for the price. At least it's different than some of my others. So, here we go. Okay, these came in a set of 2 for the price of whatever it was. I don't remember. And maybe that's one thing you don't know about me, but I love the Golden Girls. And so I invested in a couple of the paintings. I know some of them don't turn out perfect. I've seen a few of them. I can correct, you know, any wording if it needs to be corrected. This is one. This one just says, "Thank you for being a friend." And it looks like it will turn out really well. It's a round with 24 colors. It's by Bestac. It has the little white boat, a blue squidgy, some... anyway, it's a boat. It's a boat. Here are your colors. I hope I'm showing this right. It's a round, and it's you know, like I said, it's a nice one, something small to do, and it resembles them somewhat. It does. It's a 30 by 40. Hopefully, yeah, I think y'all can see it. I'm trying to get it in the camera, so it is really nice. I like this. I will be straightening them out and getting them in my book. So there's number 1 in the package, and here is number 2 in the package. Jeez, where is the opening on this one? They do this to me on purpose. They know I'm old, so they hide the opening. And they're trying to make it child-proof. I'm not a child here. I'm not sure. I don't think we got the... I thought we had the DVD of the Golden Girls, but I don't remember if my daughter had gotten those. I'd have to look. I can't get a hold of this. I'm telling you, they're making me... Oh, it's glued. They're making me feel stupid, I tell you. Get this off. Yeah. Heck with it. Okay. This is another 30 by 40. Yeah, see, this thing got sticky on the outside. There are 21 colors. This is Live Like Rose, Dress Like Blanche, Think Like Dorothy, and Speak Like Sophia. And I've seen it done. It's cute. They're not perfect, but they, you know, they mean something. Boat going by, boat going by. And here's the colors again. There's some purple. This would end up, this color here would probably be all this background L. I may have to correct, I think the K's, because I'm trying to see, they all look the same, so this one might be okay. But the colors are nice, it's a round, and I like it. I like this. Yeah. Yeah, and it's all spelled correctly because I made sure when I looked at it that it was spelled right. So, and it's alphabet and numbers. So that's the second one. And I saw this one, and I don't know how this one is going to turn out. I am hoping that it looks okay. We will see when I get it painted. If I have to change anything, then I will change it. So this I won't be able to get in my case. Boat, 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 chug, 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 boat, 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 boat. Everybody see the boat? Okay. Here's your colors, a lot of whites and creams, some Pepto-Bismol pink, some greens, some blues, some grays. Those are pretty. Rat. There's a pretty blue in there. I like that blue. Orange, gold. Okay, here we go. There. And it somewhat looks like them too. Not a bad rendition. It says friends. I hope that is visible. It's a 45 by 35 centimeter. It says friends. You got Blanche, Dorothy, Sophia, Rose. And there are 25 colors. And I thought this was really nice. And it's only folded once, which is good. So that leaves no crease. I like that. But I thought I would show you these. I think I have gotten enough diamond painting now. I want to try and get these things finished. And it's funny. Sorry for the crinkle. You do these diamond paintings, and what do you all do with yours? Do you hang them all up? Do you give them away when they're done? Do you just roll them up and put them away? Because all of the diamond arts I've done, the Craftablies, the Dreamers, the premium ones I have done, I don't know how many. They're in my closet, rolled back up in the boxes, and there they sit. There's probably 20 or more up there. I have probably another 20 or 30 sitting over to the side, other premiums that I'll be doing eventually. I don't know how many of the budget friendlies I have, and I'm thinking I do them, and then what am I doing with them? But you know what? It's a hobby. I'm not going to justify my hobby. Nobody should have to justify your hobby. What you do with them, you do with them. It keeps me sane. It gives me something to do. It keeps me off the streets at night, y'all. So, it's calming. It's pleasant. It's enjoyable. And showing them to you all is, another good thing. So, there we go. These are what I have. And hope you enjoy it. Hope you are having a wonderful Mother's Day. And I'll get back with you on Monday. I'm going to spend this weekend teaching my sister how to diamond paint via YouTube. And hopefully it works out okay. So, have a good one. Going to get my supper started here before I upload this one. And this one will be scheduled for you guys as you'll be watching it on Mother's Day. So, hugs. I love you all. Hope you enjoyed viewing my crazy stuff. And I'll be back with you again on Monday. So have a good one. Hugs. Love you all. Bunches. DP Crazy Lady. I'm out.